Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the lower chimney on this Frigidaire Range Vent Hood, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, be sure to turn off the power supply to the hood. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the left and right side screws, securing the upper chimney to the upper mounting bracket. Slide the chimney down into the lower chimney. Then have an assistant help to lift both sections up to detach them from the lower mounting bracket. You can now set the old lower chimney aside. To install the new lower chimney, first slide the upper chimney section into the lower chimney section. Align the bottom edge of the new lower chimney in the groove between the canopy glass and blower housing cabinet. Hook the lower chimney slots on the lower mounting bracket tabs. Lift the upper chimney section up so it's flush with the ceiling. Then thread the screws to secure the chimney to the upper mounting bracket. Turn the power supply back on, and the range vent hood should be ready for use.